Well, this right here, that's how it looks the next day. Well, you know, I'm gonna scuff it down with some sandpaper, and then I'm going to I'll probably prime it again, and then I'm going to paint it. Oh yeah, that's that 220 sandpaper right there, and I'm gonna sand this engine again. This block, handheld, you know what I mean? No block or anything. Well, let's just get it done. To explain my intent in finishing this engine is to retain the finish similar to a cast iron ass cast finish, except this one right here took it to the next step, or that I knocked off the high points on that sand cast finish, and it's fairly smooth with one coat of it. And that, the necessity of this second, if need be one, the second sanding is it is, you know, I just wanted it a little bit better than cast iron finish, but also not sand and change it enough to where I lost the casting lines. You know, I want it to have a cast iron look with some shine, let's say. Oh yeah, we done got her sanded again. Mask off. And we'll put another coat of that primer on there now. 2 coats at once. Went on ahead and, well, you can see what I did. Sanded her down. I put a real heavy coat of that there primer on there. You know. We'll let that dry for a little bit. I'm going to scuff it down with a scratch pad, fine grit. Now I'm going to put 3 coats of Rust-Oleum enamel oil base on there with a brush. Let's get that done. This is what we've ended up with that real good coat of, oh, that's a nice coat of primer on there. And I've also, at this point, I've maintained some texture in the cast iron, but yet it's smooth, you know, and I've also retained the casting lines as not to, you know, like a hint of originality. So, oh yeah, I'm from here in Middle Tennessee, the geographical center of something. Hey, y'all, come on back. We'll get that green paint on this thing. First, we're gonna put that crankshaft in there, that piston and such.